What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's RevMaster and we are headed to another recovery. This one is not in the Groves. We're headed to some power lines in Canaveral Groves though. So this guy is in a Toyota Tundra, stuck in some soft sand. So we're bringing the Xterra, figured it's the best thing for the job. Lightweight, it'll stay on top of the soft sand, and with the locker it definitely helps out a lot. So we're gonna head there, see if we can find a way in, because I haven't been this way in probably 10 plus years, but I do know it gets super sandy. Alright, so here we are, headed down this trail. It doesn't look like it's been traveled a lot, because I know in the past this all used to be really deep soft sand. It kind of looks like it grew over. But there was also some mud holes out here that got pretty bad. So I see the truck. Let's pull up to it and see what we can do. Alright, so here we are. It's just like a two-wheel drive Tundra. All terrains, nothing crazy really. Yep, two-wheel drive. Looked like he tried to rock it for a little bit and then just dug in. Some street tires on it. So I'll get this hitch dug out. At least it's got a pull point. So looks like he tried these, but whenever you're stuck, it doesn't really help. So let's get this thing hooked up and find out where he's at, because there's no one over here. So here we go. So I had this good idea. I seen actually somebody else do it, but all my ropes, clevises, everything's in here, so I can move it from car to car. Makes it a lot easier. Keeps everything clean so it doesn't stink inside the car, because these ropes get muddy, smelly, and it keeps all the mud and shit from getting out of the car. So pass this along to you. Go ahead, try it out. I like it so far. So if you aren't already, go ahead on Facebook, follow me, RevMaster321, and I also have a page called RevMaster Recovery, where you get to see all these recoveries early. And then I also do builds, a lot of stuff on there, a lot of goodies, don't want to miss. You just see a lot of shenanigans as well. So go ahead, get on there, follow me. If you like it, you like it. If not, then you just move on. Alright, so we got him out. It was pretty easy. I just tried to do a dead pull at first, but I was in there pretty good in the sand. Just a little snatch, and that rope just yanked it right on out. So I appreciate y'all watching. Quick little recovery. There's more to come for sure, especially this weekend. It's nice weather, so I imagine people are going to be out here in the groves playing around. So I appreciate y'all watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.